You gotta get cute. Alright. I feel you, dog. What? No, Tyler, never forget that.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, over there. Kind of catchy. Snake, snake, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Hermione, Severus Snape, Snape, Hermione, Severus Snape, sing a song all day long at I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort. What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, Hermione, Severus Snape, Snape, Hermione, Severus Snape,
I can't cross on my phone. Right now we're in math class, which is the worst class in the world. Say hi. Your face. Say hi. I'm in symbols! Yes! I'm sorry. Peter! Well, we can't really see. Fuck you. It's like, fuck you. I will use language. I got Kevin! Haha. Kaylin! Nicole! Alex! I got it. Alex!